All right, we are recording. Got 13 seconds in. Cool. So, trying to see if I got a decent view right here. All right, today I got my Flowzone backpack. Got some Glide mixed up in there, and we are going to try and get it on our back without spilling it. Alright, let's bring the phone with us. Put that in our pocket. Anyway, we're going to kill this property. We're going to work from here back, and we're going to kill out the whole backyard. We'll come back in a couple weeks and we'll kill it again. And see if I got that how I want it. Whoop! Fail. What happened there? Anyway, we're going to come back in a couple weeks, kill it again. Got a little overspray. Nothing bad. All right, and then we're going to be doing a saw job here coming up. And I'll kill the rest of this on my way out. Get over here. Yeah. Ooh, the wind just picked up right there. I've had no wind up until now. I'm also going to kill about a foot out on that side of the fence. Go. To the fence. Oh shit. Come on, Adam. I feel like it's rookie hour. What's going on here? Ugh. All right. Once about a foot out here killed. We're going to be sodding this coming up. Not out here, but in there. This is probably just for the weeds. And we're not putting enough that it's going to run down there and hurt anything, so I'll try and do a follow-up video throughout this whole process. There's your fence line. I'll have to watch that when we come. They got some issues with the gutter washing out right there. So yeah, they got gutter washing out that area right there, so when we put the sod in, we're going to do a little bit of grading off of that back patio, so I'll just make sure we fix that gutter washout area so there's not a we're going to be bringing in a little bit of topsoil, but we just want to make sure that there's not going to be like a air void under the, you know, under the fresh sod. So all right, done with that. Now I'm going to take my shirt off, or my overshirt, and my gloves and my boots, and switch back to my shoes real quick. But pretty much done. Do this, fill out my paperwork, and then I'm gonna be out of here. So have a great day, everybody.